Hi everyone, good evening, welcome to B.M.Belagali's class. My friends, today is related with IT of inverse trigonometric functions. This is the fourth class, IT of inverse trigonometric functions. It is the fourth class. Yes, my friends. Defined means what? Definitions with domain and range of what? Respective ITF we have done and related examples I have done. After that, this plays a very important role. Next examples. What is it? Values of trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, the other three. Yesterday I told this method, man. You have to write what first? For the angles. 0 degree, pi by 6, 30 degrees, pi by 4, 45 degrees, pi by 3, 60 degrees, pi by 2, 90 degrees. Yesterday I told what? First you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide each number by 4, then you take the square root. So, sine 0 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Sine pi by 6, 30 degrees, 1 by 2. 45 degrees, tell my friends. What is 2 by 4? 1 by 2. What is the square root? 1 by root 2. 60, sine 60, pi by 3. What is the simplification? Root 3 by 2. 90, what is the simplification? 1. In case of cos, my friends, you have to go what? From that side. It is square root of 4 divided by 4. This is cos 0. Then this is cos 30, root 3 by 2. This is cos 45. 1 by root 2. This is cos 60, 1 by 2. And cos 90 is what? It is 0. Cos 90 is 0. For the sine from this to that side, from the cos you have to come from that to this side, values, my friends. For the 0, 1 like this. In case of sine 0 from here, it is 0 to that side. Yes, my friends, rest. Tan, sine by cos, cot, cos by sine, cosec, reciprocal of sine, and sec, reciprocal of cos. If you remember these two, rest you can write. Yes, my friends, this is 1. This is 1. We have done properties. Just one representation I have done. P1, first property. Sine of sine inverse x is x. This is nothing but the domain of what this x. The x must be between minus 1 plus 1. Second, cos of cos inverse x is x. This is the domain. Like that, tan of tan inverse x equal to x. What is the domain? The set of real numbers. Like that. Even cot inverse, same thing. Sec inverse, what is it? R minus open interval minus 1 to plus 1. The same for cosec inverse also. Yes, my friends. This is the first property. Then this is second property. Cosec inverse x. Sine inverse, the reciprocal of this. Here x is not equal to 0. X is not equal to 0. Sec inverse x. Cos inverse of 1 by x. Cot inverse x. Tan inverse 1 by x. They reciprocals, my friends. Then third property. Yesterday I have done 3 by making use of what? Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Even cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta. By making use of that, proved yesterday, sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse of minus x is minus cosec inverse x. These are related with first the 3 inverse trigonometric functions. Then we are left with another 3. They are cos inverse of minus x, pi minus cos inverse x, sec inverse of minus x is pi minus sec inverse x, and cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. Other 3. For this we need once again a result that we have done in trigonometry. My friends, you know, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. in case of sine, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. They are true in case of what? Tan as well as cosec. But my friends, in case of cos, see here, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, it is not minus, it is not minus. Then instead of this, we use other property. What is that other property? Allied angle. Cos of pi minus theta. What is pi? This pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2, my friend. 2 into pi by 2. Then what is this pi by 2? Even multiple. If it is even multiple, cos remains cos itself, cos of this angle, cos theta. Then you have to attach this sign by making use of what? Quadrant rule. This is quadrant rule. I write simple quadrant rule. My friend, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Sine is positive, chamber of sine. Tan is positive, chamber. Cos is positive, chamber. My friend, tell, where is the angle? Pi minus theta. Yes, my friend. This is 0. This is pi by 2. What is this? Pi. This is 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. See, pi minus means angle is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive, cosec is positive. The rest, ma'am, cos, tan, cot, sec, they are all negative. Therefore, the sine is negative. My friends, cos of pi minus theta, this pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2. Then pi by 2 is what? It is even multiple. Even multiple means cos remains cos. Allied angle formula explained. And what about sine? The angle is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive, but cos is negative. So I have written same. It is cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos theta can be written as cos of pi minus theta. My friends, minus cos theta can be written as cos of pi minus theta. Same, sec of pi minus theta, minus sec theta. Minus sec theta is written sec of pi minus theta. Yes, friends. Similarly, this is third in case of cot. What is it? Cot of minus cot theta is cot of pi minus theta. From this, what is your observation? What is your observation? If it is negative, replace your angle theta. You replace your angle by what? Pi minus theta. See here. If it is negative, it is minus sec theta. To make it positive, what you have to do? Replace this angle theta by pi minus theta. Same. Minus cot. Replace angle by pi minus theta. No change in the trigonometric ratios. Cot is cot, sec is sec, cos is cos. Remember, my friends, this we use while doing these results, by proving these results. Yes, my friends. I have written this as what? P3b. We have done yesterday this. Sin inverse of minus x is minus sin inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x. Whereas cosec inverse of minus x is minus cosec inverse x. Minus cosec inverse x. Yes, my friends. This is another set. Prove. Yes, you can copy it. Prove. Cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Sec inverse of minus x is pi minus sec inverse x. And cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. These three, my friends. Method is once again the same. Once again the same. Yes, friends. Yes, friends. What is the method? Let this equal to theta. Let cos inverse of minus x equal to theta. Then by definition take cos that side, minus x equal to, taking cos inverse this side, it becomes cos theta, minus becomes plus. Definition. Then what is x, my friend? X is minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. Yes, friend. We wanted this minus to plus. Where is your result? Minus to plus. What is this? property tells, friend, replace angle theta in LHS by what? Pi minus theta. It is with a plus. Replace. So this is plus cos. Replace your theta by pi minus theta. Pi minus theta. Bring this side. Cos inverse x equal to pi minus theta. Then bring theta this side. Theta equal to pi minus cos inverse x. What is theta? Cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Yes, my friends. This is the proof. Yes, see. Cos inverse of minus x is this. What is the method? Let this LHS equal to theta. Apply the definition. Get the value of x minus cos theta. Make minus to plus. What you have to do? Replace your angle by what? Pi minus theta. So again same circus. Bring this side. Cos inverse x. Pi minus theta. Shift theta this side and cos inverse this side. Yes. Then put the value of theta. What is theta? Cos inverse minus x. Therefore, cos inverse minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. My friends, you can write this third yourself pi. What is the change? Instead of s, you have to write it as what? T. Cot. You can write it. You can write this third yourselves. Now I write, if you want, this second one. Sec inverse. Yes, my friend. Second, let sec inverse minus x equal to theta. Then by definition, minus x equal to, taking sec inverse, you get sec theta. Therefore, x equal to minus sec theta. Friend, minus to plus sec, I told, replace your angle by pi minus theta. Replace angle by pi minus theta. Result is there, explained well before. Yes, my friend, this side sec inverse x equal to pi minus theta. Yes, bring theta, minus theta becomes plus, equal to pi minus sec inverse this side. That plus becomes minus. Therefore, put the value of theta. This is sec inverse of minus x equal to, it is pi minus sec inverse x. Yes, my friends, it's the third property. I hope it is clear, simple, same. Theta minus x plus x minus to plus this side, then transformations. Theta this side, sec inverse this side. Finally, I would put the value of what? Theta, which is sec inverse of minus x. Yes, my friends. These are another three results. These are also, my friends, if they wanted board exam, they may ask under what? 2 mark questions. Yes, friends. Now, totally, these three proved yesterday in the previous class. Now, I will join what? These three. Yes, my friends, you remember this result. In shifting from minus to plus, replace your angle theta by pi minus theta. Remember, in future if it is useful, directly I remember. I remind you. Yes, friends. Yes. This is yesterday's 3 and today's 3 I write. This is cos of minus x is pi minus cos inverse x, and sec of minus x, sec inverse minus x, pi minus sec inverse. Similarly, cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. Yes, my friends. What is this? This is the third property. Yesterday I done 3, today is 3. That's why just I made yesterday's A. This is third property B. That's all. Then I do, my friends, examples based on these properties. These properties means C. Sine of sine inverse x is x. This domain you must remember. Domain. And cosec inverse is sine inverse the reciprocal. This x becomes 1 by x. The same. Sine inverse x is cosec inverse 1 by x. Like that. Sec cot. This is sine inverse of minus x. Minus sine. In these three cases, directly minus comes outside. But in the other three cases, it becomes pi minus. My friends, remember important properties. Then examples. Yes, my friends. Right. Find the values of the following. Value of the following. Yes, fine. Yes. Again, this comes under 1 mark questions. Just a remind, my friend. I have done already this. Sine inverse of 1. These are 1 mark questions. Try to write the minimum steps. 1 mark. See, my friend. What is this? Sine inverse 1 is an angle. Theta whose sine is 1. You know it. What is it? Sine 90. So just you have to write it as what? 90 degrees. Is correct? 1. Second example. Second is cos inverse. This is sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. In this case, the use of that list of the formulae comes, my friends. What is sine inverse of minus 2? Minus sine inverse 1 by 2. Then it is minus. Tell my friend, what is this? Angle whose sine is 1 by 2. 30 degrees or pi by 6 radians. You have to make use that property. Sine inverse of minus is minus sine inverse. This is nothing but pi by 6. Therefore, the value of this with this sign gives what? Minus pi by 6. Next, friend. Tan inverse of minus 1. Tell. First property. In case of tan inverse also it is minus tan inverse 1. Tell friend, minus. What is tan inverse 1? It is an angle whose tan is 1. What is this? Tan 45 degrees or pi by 4 is 1. Then what is the value of this? Minus pi by 4. Yes, my friend. It is tan inverse of minus root 3. Tan inverse of minus root 3. First that property. Minus tan inverse of root 3, friend. Root 3. Then you know the value. Just now explain that list. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3 means just you have to write angle. 60 means pi by 3 radians. One more is cosec inverse of minus 2. Cosec inverse of minus 2. Yes, my friend. What is it? Minus cosec inverse of 2. Now you can convert this cosec inverse to sine inverse by making use of this property. Tell. What is cosec inverse x? Is sine inverse 1 by x. Now I use this property when it comes with what? Cosec inverse, sec inverse, cot inverse. We convert them, cosec in terms of sine inverse, sec inverse in terms of cos inverse, cot inverse in terms of tan inverse. Yes, my friend, minus, what is it? This is sine inverse 1 by 2. Tell my friend, it is minus. Sine inverse 1 by 2 is 30 degrees in terms of radians, pi by 6. Yes. Next is cos inverse of minus half. Cos inverse of minus half. I use the down one, second. What is cos inverse? Minus x. Pi minus cos inverse x. Here it comes pi. Friend, this is pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. This is pi. What is the respective angle? 60 degrees in terms of radians, pi by 3. Simplify it. Cross 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. 2 pi by 3. Yes, friend. Next is cos inverse minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Yes, tell. Once again, pi minus cos inverse root 3 by 2. What is it? Pi minus, what is the respective angle? 30 degrees. That is pi by 6 in terms of radians. If you simplify, friends, 6 minus 1 is 5. Next is sec inverse. Sec inverse of minus 1. Sec inverse of minus 1. Use that property first. This is pi minus sec inverse 1. You can write directly. If you want it, you can convert from sec inverse to cos inverse. What is cos inverse of the reciprocal? 1 itself. Pi minus. Tell friends. What is cos inverse 1? Angle whose cos is 1. You know it. Cos 0 is 1. Then what is the respective angle? 0 degrees. Then my friends, it is what? Pi minus 0 is pi. Then cot inverse. Cot inverse. Yes, friend. It is minus root 3. Cot inverse minus root 3. Same. What is it? This property first. Cot inverse. Cot inverse is pi minus cot inverse. Pi minus cot inverse. Root 3, which is pi minus respective angle 10. In case of cot inverse, root 3 is 30 degrees. 1 by root 3 is 60 degrees. Whereas in case of tan inverse, my friends, in case of tan inverse, bigger, root 3 is 60 degrees, 1 by root 3 is 30 degrees. It's just opposite in case of what? Cot inverse. Tan inverse root 3 is 60, cot inverse root 3 is 30. 30 means pi by 6 radians, which is 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Yes, my friends, these are some around 8 to 9 examples based on these properties. My friends, once again, all these important under 1 mark. Find the value, otherwise principal value. Find the principal value of the following ITF, inverse trigonometric functions. Yes, my friends, explained everything. This is another set of examples, important under 1 mark, very simple examples, my friends. Yes. Next I do another type. Yes. These are also what? 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. 2 mark questions. Yes, friends. Yes, friends. Find the value of. These are again either 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. It depends upon the examiner. Find the value of cos inverse 1 by, first example, cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Same thing. Once again you have those simple inverse trigonometric function. Just you put their values. My friend, tell angle whose cos is 1 by 2, 60 or pi by 3 radians plus 2 into. In case of sin inverse 1 by 2, it is an angle whose sine is 1 by 2, that is 30 degrees, which is pi by 6 radians. Simplified, pi by 3 plus cancels pi by 3. If you add it, it is 2 pi by 3, my friends. First example. Second, it is cos of, not inverse, cos of pi by 3 minus cos inverse 1 by 2. All these are from your textbook, my friends. From your textbook. Even I have collected some model question papers also. Yes, even question papers. Pi by 3 minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Just what put this value equal to cos pi by 3 minus, again I told what is this, 60 degrees, pi by 3. Friend cancels, remains what? Cos 0. Yes, see my friend. That is why in the first class, first I gave what? Values of trigonometric ratios of what? Standard angles. They are all useful here. Cos 0 is 1. Next example. This is cot of pi by 2 minus 2 cot inverse root 3. 2 cot inverse root 3. Yes, friend, equal to cot. This is pi by 2 minus 2 into cot inverse root 3. I told bigger, smaller angle. What is it? 30 degrees. Pi by 6. This is cot 90 minus simplified pi by 3. 90 minus 60 is what, my friends? 30 degrees. What is 30? Pi by 6. What is cot 30? Cot 30 is root 3. Small angle is big, that is root 3. Yes, my friend, what is done? Pi by 2 minus 2 cot inverse root 3. It is an angle whose cot is root 3, that is pi by 6. Simplification, pi by 3. 90 minus 60, 30. Otherwise, yes, LCM cross. 3 minus 2 is 1, root 3. Yes, friends. Tan inverse of minus root 3 plus tan inverse 1. Yes, you have to make use that property. Tan inverse of minus is minus tan inverse. 3 plus tan inverse 1. Yes, already told, in case of tan root 3 big, what is it? 60 degrees plus, what is it? 45 degrees, pi by 4. Then what is the LCM, my friend? This is 12. 12 means it is minus 4 pi plus cross 3 pi. Minus 4 plus 3 gives what? Minus pi. Minus pi upon LCM is 12. LCM is 12. I hope it is also clear. All these are very simple examples. That is why I told my friends they come under what? 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. Yes, on the same lines. You're right. Exercise. What is it? This is find the value. Cos inverse root 3 by 2 plus cos inverse minus half. Remember, in case of cos inverse, it is pi minus, otherwise I do it, man. Root 3 by 2 means 30 degrees plus, what is it? Pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Yes, friend. It is pi by 6 plus pi minus 1 by 2 means it is 60 degrees. Yes, if you wanted to simplify, LCM 6, what is it? Pi plus 6 pi cross minus 3 2 pi. My friends, 6 plus 1, 7 minus 2, 5. 5 upon 6. Yes. This we can do. This we can do. Right. Find the value. This is sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. My friend, minus, by making use of that, minus with minus is what? It becomes plus. 1 by 2 means it is what? 30 degrees. 60 plus 30, it becomes sine 90. What is sine 90, my friend? 1. Sine 90 is 1. Yes, my friends. Yes. Then on this type, I do just 1 or 2 objective type of questions. You can say objective mean the CET type. All right. Yes, friend. I give 1 minute. Just you check yourselves. Do you know the answer for it? These are objective type or CET. Objective type. Objective type or CET questions. CET questions. Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. If sine inverse x equal to y, then these are options. First option, 0 less or equal to y less or equal to pi. Second option, 0 strictly less. This is second. Third, minus pi by 2 less or equal to y less or equal to plus pi by 2. And fourth option, open interval, minus pi by 2 less than y less than plus pi by 2. See, my friends, it is given, what is it? Sine inverse equal to y. Sine inverse equal to y, then y equal to dash. Then y equal to dash. 10. These are the options. My friend, this is your first ITF, inverse trigonometric functions. Then you know the domain and range of sine inverse x. What is the domain of sine inverse x? -1 to +1. But what about this? This is theta, what I have written there, but it is y. The range you wanted. What is the range for sine inverse x? It is -π/2 to +π/2. Then what is the correct answer? Is third option. Third option. Like this, one more is there. One more is there. This is second objective. Just one samples. Value of tan inverse 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1/2. Sine inverse 1/2. Yes, friends. We can start here itself. Why it is an objective type means what is this? First I write in detail. Next short. Tan inverse 2 cos. Friend, 2 into sine inverse 1/2, 30 degrees, which is π/6 radians. Friend, it is what? Tan inverse 2 cos, tell, cancels my friend 3. It is π/3, 60 degrees. 60 degrees, yes. What is this? Tan inverse 2 into cos 60, my friends. Cos 60 is 1/2. Cancellation, what is it? Tan inverse 1. You know the value. What is tan inverse 1? π/4. Objective type means I have not written the values back. The values are here. First option is π/4. Second option is π/3. Third option is -π/4. Fourth option is none. Fourth option is none, my friends. These are options. Which one? Which one? The first option is the correct answer. First option is the correct answer. Yes, friends, all these are very simple examples. All these examples based on this list. Conversion of cosec inverse into sine inverse, like that. And when the number is -x, sine inverse of -x, tan inverse of -x, we have to make use this property, then we have to write its value. Yes, my friends, this is 1 based on this, that is property 3. Yes, friend, another property, very important, theory as well as examples based on this. My friends, I will continue with the fourth property. Yes, I do only that theory part. Examples I do tomorrow. Okay? Yes, my friend. This is the next property. P4. Prove 1. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to π/2. Second, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to π/2. Third, sec inverse x cosec inverse x equal to π/2. Yes, my friends, this needs one more result. First I will explain it. That is, note sin π/2 minus theta. Π/2 means, my friend, it is 1 into π/2. Is it correct? 1 means odd number. Odd means sign changes to cos. cos of this angle, cos theta. Therefore, my friend, what is it? Sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. I write the same reverse. Cos theta equal to, what is it? Sine of pi by 2 minus theta. Alright, see my friend. I want to change from cos to sine. You have to replace the angle by what? Pi by 2 minus the same. In case of earlier, told, explained. But here you wanted to change cos to sine. Replace your angle by 90 minus theta. If you don't want to change cos to cos, replace your angle by pi minus theta. Similarly, my friend, cos to sine, sine to cos, what is this? This is sine theta. You want to change to cos, pi by 2 minus theta. It is a tan. You want to change to cot of pi by 2 minus theta. My friend, it is sec. You want to change cosec pi by 2 minus theta. You know it, my friends. Either sine to cos or cos to sine or tan to cot or anything to change among co-trigonometric ratios. My friends, you have to replace the angle by pi by 2 minus theta. Change. Replace angle pi by 2 minus theta. Yes, my friends. I do 1 or 2 in this. That's all. 1. Take first equal to theta. Let sine inverse x equal to theta. Then take that side definition. Then x equal to sine theta. Yes, my friends, the results are waiting there, side. We want from sine to cos. What I told, replace your angle by pi by 2 minus theta. Yes, bring cos this side. Cos inverse x equal to, what is it? Pi by 2 minus theta. Bring minus theta this side, it becomes plus theta. Plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Yes, friend, put the value of theta. What is theta? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Yes, my friend, what is the method? Take anyone, either this or that. Let sin inverse x equal to theta. Apply the definition. Change from sin to cos. Explained. Replace your angle by pi by 2 minus theta. Cos this side, cos inverse, minus theta this side, plus theta, value of theta. Sin inverse plus cos inverse is your first result. On the same lines, I do third one. You write the second, yourselves. Yes, my friend, about the third one. About the third one. Let sec inverse x is theta. X is sec theta. Friend, we want to convert cosec theta, pi by 2 minus theta. Cosec, bring this side. Cosec inverse, friend, minus theta becomes plus. Yes, what is the value of this? Sec inverse plus cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x is pi by 2. Yes, my friend. Same theta x tan to cot this. Put the value of theta. Finish. Yes, my friends. This is the fourth property. On this also, man, there are very wonderful examples are there. Good examples are there. Okay. Those examples I do tomorrow. Thank you, my friends. If you have any doubts, anything, either through the message, otherwise you are welcome even on phone. Yes, my friends. Thank you.